to all of you. I am your Dipti. Today I will going to discuss about parts of speech. Parts of speech are the basic types of words that English has. All words are divided into grammar groups. The grammar groups are called parts of speech. अगर पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच को हम आसान तरीके से समझना चाहेंगे तो स्पीच का अर्थ है सेंटेंस एंड पार्ट्स का अर्थ है हिस्से। एक सेंटेंस में जितने भी हिस्से होते हैं वो सब पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच है। एवरी सेंटेंस यू राइट और स्पीक इन इंग्लिश इंक्लूड्स वर्ड्स that fall into some of the 9 parts of speech. But most grammar books say that there are 8 parts of speech: noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, prepositions, conjunction, interjection. But we will add one more type, that is determiner or article. What is noun? A noun is a word that names something such as people, place, things or idea. Here are some examples of noun. Tanya is my best friend. Here Tanya is the name of a person, so Tanya is a noun. I visited Delhi recently. Delhi is the name of a place, so Delhi is a noun. This cat belongs to him. Here cat is a name of an animal, so cat is a noun. He wore a suit. Here suit is the name of a thing, so suit is a noun. They laughed at my idea. Here idea is a noun. What is pronoun? Pronoun refers to the words that are used instead of a noun in a sentence. For example, Ram is a boy. He is very clever. Here we can use a pronoun he in place of Ram. Means pronoun takes the place of a noun. What is a verb? A verb tells what action someone or something is doing or expresses a state of being. A verb makes a sentence complete. For example, Soumya plays football. Here plays is an action word. Lata is a singer. Here is express a state of being. What is an adjective? An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. It tells what kind, how many or which one. For example, we like a big cake. Here big is an adjective because it describes the cake. What kind of cake? I have 3 pencils. Here 3 is an adjective because it describes pencils. How many pencils? What is an adverb? Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. It tells how, when, where or to what extent. How an action happens, like quickly running, peacefully sleeping. Quick, peaceful are adjective because it describes noun. But when it describes a verb, we often add ly of the end to create an adverb. When, now, then, tomorrow, yesterday, always, never, sometimes. We can use these words to describe verbs or adjectives like walking now, always happy, where, inside, outside, here, there, up, down, can be used an adverb to tell where something happened, like come here. To what extent? Barely, almost, very, extremely. These adverbs can describe verbs like almost crying, or they can modify adjectives like extremely hot, or they can describe other adverbs like very quickly. Example: yesterday we very carefully planted pretty flowers outside. Yesterday is an adverb. It tells when we planted the flowers. Carefully. Here carefully describes how we planted the flowers. Very describes to what extent we were careful. And outside describes where we planted the flowers. The word pretty is not an adverb. It is an adjective because it describes a noun, flowers. Have a nice day. Thank you.